Behind the luxury bags, behind the polished storefronts, behind the global fashion industry, lies a story few are willing to tell. A story of fear, control, and profit. This is not a jungle documentary. This is an investigation.
The global python trade has quietly grown into a multi-billion rupee industry. In Southeast Asia, particularly Vietnam, Indonesia, and Thailand, exports of python skins alone generate hundreds of millions of dollars every year. These numbers don't appear.
When people imagine pythons, they picture dense jungles, dark rivers, and danger. But the reality today is far from that image. Across Southeast Asia, python farms operate behind closed doors, facilities designed not for conservation, but for production. Concrete walls replace trees, steel containers replace freedom. Millions of snakes live here. From the moment a python hatches, its life is measured, its weight recorded, its feeding calculated, its growth predicted, every movement monitored, every stage planned. This is not nature. This is industrial farming, applied to one of the world's most feared predators.
Inside these farms, snakes are stacked in large containers, arranged with mechanical precision. Row after row, hundreds at a time. The silence is unsettling. The python's fate is decided long before its final day. Its meat is sold in markets, locally and internationally. Its skin begins a longer journey toward tanneries, factories, and finally, luxury brands. What once protected the animal in the wild now becomes its most valuable asset.
This industry doesn't end at the farm gate. It stretches across global trade routes, into fashion houses, and onto store shelves around the world. By the time a consumer touches a python skin product, the system behind it is the python trade forces us to confront an uncomfortable truth. In a world driven by profit, even fear can be monetized. Even predators can be controlled. Even the wild can be domesticated. The question is no longer whether humans can farm anything. The question is, should they?